This right here is his enclosure, but yeah. Alright, let me show you what I got. Oh, there he is. Alright, as you can see, he is a corn snake. He's an anery corn snake. So yeah, look at me. Put him up close. He shed it like about 2 weeks ago, I would say. Look at that head stamp, man. Looks like it has two. Oh, sorry. Sorry, buddy. Nah, but yeah, guys, he's actually a little skirmish, as you can see. Yeah, he's pretty cool. I'm a little nervous too, I'm not gonna lie. Since he's like a little fast snake, you know, like I usually have ball pythons, but this guy's definitely the fastest snake I've ever had. Gotta get used to him. But yeah, I mean, this is really the snake review. I mean, I should have done it like 2 months ago, but I'm too damn lazy. Alright, well, I don't really have a name for him. He's eating pinkies. But yeah, it's a male. Had him for like a good 2 months now. Almost 3 months actually. But yeah, this is him. He's an anery corn snake. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, take it easy guys.